Hello, good afternoon. Uh, Here I am again. I want me to solve one of the projects. I think it's the project that we have already done. It was a last week project. So the project that I want us to solve I want us to solve Python exception. This Python exception, 0x05 Python exceptions. This is the project that I want me to give you a direction to show you how you can solve the tasks, how to solve the project. Then I will give you direction. After I've given you direction, I will do 2, 3 questions. Then the rest you can do at your own. Because this programming is not it's not something that you can copy and paste. It's something that you have to read and understand. So first, let me share my screen. Let me share my screen here. I want to share my screen so that I can. Okay. This is the project that I want us to start working on it. This is Python exceptions. First, you have to go through the resources. You go through the resources. You go error exceptions, syntax error exceptions, uh, raising exceptions, defining cleanup actions, raising handling multiple related exceptions. You go through all these resources and reading exception with notes. You go through all these resources. Then you go to learn to program 11 statistical exception handling. Very important. Learning objective, you go through it. Okay, this is a requirement. It's a very important. So general requirements are the allowed editors is I, Vim, and Emacs. All your files will be compiled on Ubuntu 20.04 LTC using Python 3 version 3.8.5. All your files should end with a new line. The first line of your file should be exact pin hash. Very important. When you are writing your code, this is the first line of your code must start with this pin hash. At hash, pin hash, this URS, pin Python 3. Aha. Readme file, it's that one. It's a must. You must in every code you must have the readme file to explain uh, all about the project. All files must be executed. What does it mean? Do you remember the command chmod that I told you the other day? You have to first you have to execute. You know that when you compile, it will come. You will not get the difficulty when you're compiling that file. Okay, now let's go to this task. I'll do number 1, maybe number 8, or the last one. Write a function that prints X element on a list. This is the prototype. def safe underscore print underscore rest my underscore list x0 my underscore rest. This is the prototype. Then x replaces all this one. Then when you are through with the when you are through this the first task, when if you type this command, this one here, cut, then this command, you are able to come up with this result. That means if the if the if the the code is correct, so let me go direct to the let me open my sandbox so that I can start solving this. Let me share my my sandbox. This is the container. It's also known as the container. This is the container now. So, as I told you earlier on, when you are when you have opened your container or the web time or the sandbox, whatever, first you have to enter into this root. So the command cd root, then you enter. Now you are in this root. Then let's go back. Cd cd. Need to go back to this bullshit. ALX 1 minute. This okay, this is what I mean. You come here to this repo, GitHub repo. This is you type cd ALX repo, then you create this directory, then now you create this file. So let's go to this is my container. Okay, this is my container. This is my container now. This is a repository, ALX higher level programming. Come here, so you enter. Then you create this directory. This is directory. This is 0x05 Python exception. This is my directory. So this is my directory. Now let me see what is inside this 0x05 Python exception. Okay. ULS, this is the command. I think you know all about the ls command. You see, I have all this is the files that I have in my 0x5 Python exception. So let me now create this file. This 0 save 1 print file. Let me show you first the file that I want to create. This I want to create this file, this one, 0 save underscore print dot. You copy, you go back to the sandbox. Okay, you come here. by now I know nobody who don't know how to use the VI theme. So me, I use VI. Then VI. Then I enter the file. Now this is the file that is inside this zero safe print list.py. Another thing you have to be very careful here. White space, you don't miss anything. If you jump one line, you the code must be very accurate and very specific. So let me quit here. Insert, escape. Me, I'm not going to save. I only quit because I've already saved the work. Okay, again, another thing, the most important thing here is, you see, we told that from the instructions, the file that we have created, it must be executed. So in order to execute the file, you need to use this command, change mode, u plus x. Very important. You must know this command. Then you enter this zero save, copy, enter. Let me execute. Okay, done. Because now no error. Now it's executed. Already execute. It's executed. So if when you have executed this file, now the next thing you will do is you need to add this file into the GitHub. Okay, what does it mean? You must first you have to github. Don't know why my internet is misbehaving. Github. You github. Then you git. I don't know why this internet is misbehaving.